हेलो एवरीवन। तो आज हम सॉल्व करेंगे कम्युनिटी हेल्थ ऑफिसर का जो एग्ज़ाम हुआ था उत्तराखंड का 1 Feb 2026 का एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन का आंसर्स हम देखेंगे कि क्या है। तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है, वन एन इंडिविजुअल एट्रीब्यूट देयर ओन फेलियर एंड डिफिकल्टीज टू अदर। इसका आंसर है प्रोजेक्शन। सेकंड, जीन पिगेट्स थ्योरी इज प्राइमरीली बेस्ड ऑन कॉग्निटिव डेवलपमेंट। थर्ड, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज कंसिडर्ड एज द बेस्ट मेथड फॉर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट मैनेजमेंट। इसका आंसर है कोलैबोरेशन। फोर्थ, विच वैक्सीन typically leaves a permanent scar after administration. इसका आंसर है BCG. Fourth, the type of the stages of malaria fever include all of the following except febrile stage. Next, the abbreviation of AFEI stands for adverse effect of following immunization. नेक्स्ट है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ प्राइमरी प्रिवेंशन। तो इसका आंसर है सी, ब्रेस्ट सेल्फ एग्जामिनेशन फॉर ट्यूमर डिटेक्शन। नेक्स्ट, वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन डे, इट इज़ ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन 11th July. Next, in hilly areas, a sub-center is specialized for a population of 3,000. Next, a healthy newlywed couple ask for best contraceptive method. Which of the following should the nurse recommend? सो इसमें है किसी साइड पे बैरियर मेथड है, किसी साइड पे ओरल कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव मेथड है। तो आप कमेंट करिएगा कि कौन सा सही आंसर है इसका। नेक्स्ट इज द रेस्ट्रिक्शन और लैक ऑफ एबिलिटी टू परफॉर्म एन एक्टिविटी विद इन द नॉर्मल ह्यूमन रेंज इज रिफर्ड एज। इसका आंसर है इम्पेयरमेंट। नेक्स्ट, इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड पोलियोमाइलिटिस इज टिपिकली ऑफ 7 to 14 days. Next, ASHA stands for Aggregated Social Health Activist. Next, the total blood volume of term newborn at birth is approximately 80 ml per kg. Next, the normal head circumference of full term baby at birth is 33 to 35 cm. The correct port sign is also known as McQueen sign. Next, baby friendly hospital initiative जो launch हुआ था 1991 पे. नेक्स्ट है, क्लबिंग ऑफ फिंगर्स इज द साइन ऑफ क्रोनिक लंग डिजीज. नेक्स्ट, इन्फेंट टिपिकली बिगिन टू सिट विद सपोर्ट एट द एज ऑफ 4 to 6 months. नेक्स्ट, नॉर्मल अपगार स्कोर जो इज 7 and above. नेक्स्ट है, इन्फेंट बर्थ वेट टिपिकली ट्रिपल्स बाई द एज ऑफ 1 year. नेक्स्ट है, फ्लाइट ऑफ आइडियाज इज मोस्ट कॉमनली ऑब्जर्व्ड इन मेनिया पेशेंट. नेक्स्ट, डेलीरियम इज प्राइमरली अ डिसऑर्डर ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस. नेक्स्ट, an adolescent who induces vomiting after consuming large amount of food may be suffering from bulimia nervosa. Next, pedophilia is the form of child sexual abuse. Next is thanatophobia is the fear of death. Next, blue words 4 A's of schizophrenia include all of the following except इसका आंसर है auditory hallucination. Let me correct it. Next is Mr. X sees a floral pattern of wallpaper and perceives that is an animal. This is illusion. Next, all of the following are considered neurotic disorder except schizophrenia. Next answer is a laissez-faire leadership who is primarily responsible for decision making, the group or team. Next, the stock level at which fresh supply must be placed in the ordering level. Next, middle level of management is also referred as administrative level. Next, a nursing audit primarily examine nurse record and care quality. Next, the Employee State Insurance Act was passed in 1948. Next, abbreviation for HS is at bedtime. It is the water hammer pulse is characteristic of aortic regurgitation. Next, according to WHO, hand hygiene movement recommended are 5 steps. Next, as per Nursing Council guidelines, the recommended nurse to patient ratio in ICU is 1:1. Next, the vital sign are also known as cardinal sign. Next, for arterial blood gas analysis, the blood is usually collected from artery. A pulse rate greater than 100 beats per minute is termed as tachycardia. Next, how often can a healthy individual donate whole blood? Every 2 months. Next, if a fire breaks out in ward, the nurse's first action should be to evacuate the patient from immediate danger. Next, in hospital, oxygen cylinders are typically color coded as black with white tops. The ideal angle for needle insertion for an intradermal injection is 10 to 15 degrees. The core body temperature is usually highest during late afternoon. Next, the most common site for fertilization in female reproductive tract is ampulla of fallopian tube. Next, the primary cause of menopause is decline in estrogen production. Next, a woman who is pregnant for the first time is referred as primigravida. Next, anti-D immunoglobulin should be administered to Rh negative mother after delivery of Rh positive baby within 72 hours. Postpartum hemorrhage is defined as a blood loss exceeding 500 ml. Next, the show in obstetrics refers to expulsion of the mucus plug mixed with blood. Next, the amniotic fluid index for less than 5 cm indicates oligohydramnios. Next, mammary glands are modified sweat glands. The first line drug for ovulation induction is clomiphene citrate. Next, radiographic contrast study of fallopian tube is known as stectosalpingiography. Next, Cullen sign is associated with acute pancreatitis. Next, pleural effusion is also termed as hydrothorax. Next, myopia is corrected with the concave lens. Next, tunica adventitia is outer layer of blood vessel. Fourth cranial nerve is trochlear nerve. Next, a finding associated with pernicious anemia is briefy red tongue. Next, the cardinal features of nephrotic syndrome includes all except hyponatremia. Next, insensible fluid loss occurs mainly through skin and lungs. Next, diabetic insipidus is caused by deficiency of antidiuretic hormone. Next, digoxin is generally contraindicated in patient with bradycardia. Next, features of effective educational poster include all of the above, जिसमें simplicity, attractiveness, appropriateness सब आता है. Next example of one-way communication is classroom lecture. Next, which of the following is not typically used as evaluation technique? That is anecdotal record. Anecdotal record types of records में आता है, ये कोई type का evaluation tool नहीं है. Next, which teaching method is most effective for educating illiterate villagers? That is role play. Next, which of the following is essential amino acid? That is valine. Next, an histogram is used to present the continuous data. Next, which statistical data is used to compare the means of two independent groups? That is students t-test. Next, a brief summary of research article is called abstract. Next, plagiarism is defined as using someone else's work without proper citation. Next, random sampling is also known as probability sampling. Next, an increase in number of cells in the tissue is called hyperplasia. Next, the earliest sign of reversible cell injury is cellular swelling. Next, fibrinoid necrosis is characteristically seen in immune-mediated vasculitis. Next, which of the following is recommended for disinfecting surface contaminated with HIV? That is sodium hypochlorite. Next, which of the following is largest organ in human body? That is skin. Next, which bone is also known as collarbone? That is clavicle. Next, the circle of Willis is associated with peripheral nervous system. Next, which part of nephron is mainly responsible for filtration? That is glomerulus. Next, carbon dioxide combines with hemoglobin to form carboxyhemoglobin. Next, protein synthesis is the function of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Next, the pH of human blood is normally between 7.35 to 7.45. Next, which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? That is cerebellum. Next, jaggery is rich in iron. Next, at the end product of protein digestion is amino acid. Next, a nurse must be aware of eating maize corn alone lead to pellagra. Next, the fundamental unit of society is family. Next, polygyny is defined as having more than one wife simultaneously. Next, which of the following is not an example of secondary group family? Who discovered antibiotic penicillin? That is Alexander Fleming. Next, the relationship between drug concentration and its effect is called pharmacodynamics. Next, the antidote for morphine overdoses, naloxone. Next, which of the following medication can cause both tooth discoloration if taken during tooth development? That is tetracycline. Next, who proposed the theory of classical conditioning? That is Ivan Pavlov. Next, which of the following is not the stage on process of memory? That is reorganization. तो यही था हमारा पूरा का पूरा क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्यूशन. हो सकता है एक दो क्वेश्चंस इनकरेक्ट भी हूँ क्योंकि अभी आंसर की डिक्लेयर हुई नहीं है, तो मैंने अपनी साइड से कोशिश करी इसको समझाने की. अगर कहीं पे भी आपको डाउट लगता है तो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में अपने ओपिनियंस ज़रूर लिखिएगा. थैंक यू सो मच. बताना आप सबके पेपर कैसे गए, एग्ज़ाम कैसा हुआ, कितना एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं आप सब लोग. थैंक यू.